Welcome in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, this Range Rover Sport D350 Autobiography, with an eye-catching Firenze Red exterior as well as digital LED headlights. This Range Rover Sport also comes fitted with 22-inch diamond-turned alloy wheels as well as keyless entry and privacy glass. The D350 engine boasts an impressive 345 brake horsepower as well as getting you from 0 to 60 in just 5.5 seconds. This Range Rover Sport also comes with a full service history as well as its manufacturer's warranty up until November 2027. Stepping inside now, we're just going to take a look at the driver's seat memory function as well as a Meridian sound system and blind spot assist. Also featuring electric front seats as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a heated steering wheel and voice control. And then coming up to the digital driver's display. Coming a little bit further up now, we've got the head-up driver's display and then going up to the clear sight interior rear view mirror. Heading down to the centre console now, we've got the gear shift paddle as well as the extremely responsive 13.1-inch Pivi Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the 3D surround camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. Comfort is prioritised for all passengers in this Range Rover Sport, coming fitted with heated and cooled front massage seats as well as heated and cooled rear seats. Taking a look into the back of the Range Rover Sport now, we've got the rear climate control as well as ISOFIX and of course 2 rear cup holders. The rear seat entertainment in this Range Rover Sport makes for a perfect addition for those longer journeys. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01 228 599 000.